Hey guys, I got this shelf muzzle rack from Walmart. Initially, it came with no instructions for some reason, or I couldn't find it. But it's very quick and easy to assemble. All you need is a little light hammer like this, and it doesn't have any screws or anything. And I'll just show you the steps, how to install it. But it's very sturdy and looks really good. Okay, so it comes with two, like the long beams and short beams like that. Place them on the floor, and then you have the posts here. Make sure when you install it, the holes are, the slots are pointing down. So when the rivets go in there, they go and hold up there. So you put it there, and then when it comes to the beams, make sure this flat surface is up like this, so that the wooden piece will go and stand here. Okay, so you put the rivets like this, and now on this side you hit it with the hammer. It goes and holds up there. So you have to repeat this process for all the four corners. So I'll do that and show you how it shows. See, so this is how I put on all sides the rivets, and then just you use this hammer and just make sure they're all tight. So once that is done, take this plate, the wooden slide, and then just put it on top like this. So it goes here. It's very simple. And make sure I leave the two holes here at the bottom like this, little bit up, so it will help me basically whenever you wash the garage, right, or clean the garage, power wash it, it will help you with the water flow. So leave a little bit gap at the bottom of the shelf like this. When you try to put it as one on top of the other, the beams, they gave this little plates again. You can use those to stabilize that. So those will go like this. So they gave you this. So you just put it at the corner and hammer it down here like this, and the new beam will come on top of that. So it will be half and half here like this. So now I put the second level here again. So the four beams go in there. Very simple. Just align the rivets and just hit them slowly. And then the second wooden block will go here. So this is how I ended it up. So the second one, when I did that 5 shelf, I split it into two parts. So one is like 3 shelf, one is 2 shelf. So I bought 2 sets, finally arranged them like this. I would say they're really sturdy, and they can carry up to, I think, 400 pounds or so. So once I clean up this mess and arrange it on this one, I'll show another piece of it, how it turned out. This is how it finally turned out, and I'll be adding few more shelves, and I'm planning to buy a few more couple of weeks down the line. So this is how it looks finally. It looks cool to me, the end product. Okay guys, see you on the next video with another do-it-yourself project.